Today, I will be demonstrating an augmented reality application called SketchAR, which helps users learn how to draw using interactive digital tools. To better understand this application, it's important to first define augmented reality and virtual reality. Augmented reality, or AR, is a technology that overlays digital content onto the real world, allowing users to interact with both environments at the same time. According to Android Authority, AR application enhance real-world experience by integrating digital elements into the user's surroundings. In contrast, virtual reality, or VR, creates a completely immersive digital environment that replaces the real world. According to Pocket Lens, VR is typically experienced through headsets that block out the physical environment and fully engage the user in a virtual space. Therefore, while AR enhances the real world, VR replaces it entirely. The application I'm demonstrating, SketchAR, is a clear example of augmented reality in practice. The main AR feature is found in the Create section, where the app uses the device's camera to project a digital drawing onto a real surface such as paper. As shown in the recording, the drawing remains stable even when the device is moved, demonstrating how the application tracks real-world surfaces. This allows users to trace the image in real time, combining physical action with digital guidance. Because the real environment remains visible and interactive, this feature clearly represents augmented reality. What I like and what I dislike. One advantage of this application is that it makes drawing more accessible and engaging, especially for beginners. The step-by-step AR guidance provides an interactive learning experience that is more effective than traditional methods. However, one limitation is that the tracking can sometimes be unstable, especially in poor lighting conditions. In addition, some features require payment, which may limit accessibility for some users. I would recommend SketchAR, but only with some limitations. While the app provides an interesting and interactive way to learn drawing using augmented reality, I didn't find it completely easy or comfortable to use. For example, the tracking is not always stable, and the experience depends on good lighting and steady positioning. Because of this, beginners may sometimes feel frustrated while using the app. So I would recommend it for learning and experimenting with AR, but not as a perfect or fully reliable tool. I think SketchAR is a good example of augmented reality, even though it has some limitations. This is because it clearly demonstrates the main idea of AR by overlaying digital drawings onto real-world surfaces and allowing users to interact with both at the same time. However, the technical limitations, such as unstable tracking, show that the technology is still developing and not always perfect. Overall, it's a good example of AR in concept, but not a perfect implementation. Future of AR. The use of augmented reality is expected to grow significantly in the future. According to PR Newswire, advertisement is in technology from major companies are driving rapid growth in AR and VR industries. Similarly, Thrive Global suggests that augmented reality will increasingly be integrated into everyday life, including education, communication, and entertainment. This suggests that applications like SketchAR represent an important step toward the future of interactive learning technologies. In conclusion, SketchAR is an effective example of augmented reality because it successfully combines digital and real elements in an interactive and meaningful way. The application is available on both iOS and Android devices, and more information can be found on its official website.